Chilliz value equivalent to 28,763 rands a coin. The present cost range, 28D138, 28D368. The earlier day close, 28D767. The change was 0.40 Opposite rate, ZAR to CHZ. Chilliz cost expectation for July 2024. To start with, cost at 528 rands. Exorbitant cost 655, while low cost 528. The found the middle value of cost 581. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end 612, change for July 15.9%. Chilliz estimate for August 2024. First and foremost cost at 612 rands. Exorbitant cost 722, while low cost 612. The found the middle value of cost 655. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end 675, change for August 10.3%. Chilliz cost expectation for September 2024. First and foremost cost at 675 rands. Exorbitant cost 766, while low cost 666. The found the middle value of cost 706. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end 716, change for September 6.1%. Chilliz gauge for October 2024. In the first place, cost at 716 rands. Exorbitant cost 788, while low cost 684. The found the middle value of cost 731. Chilliz cost gauge toward the month's end 736, change for October 2.8%. Chilliz cost expectation for November 2024. To start with, cost at 736 rands. Exorbitant cost 8,000, while low cost 696. The found the middle value of cost 745. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end 748, change for November 16%. Chilliz estimate for December 2024. To start with, cost at 748 rands. Exorbitant cost 779, while low cost 677. The found the middle value of cost 733. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end 718, change for December 27%. Chilliz cost expectation for January 2025. Initially cost at 728 rands. Excessive cost 792, while low cost 688. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 737. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end 740, change for January 16%. Chilliz figure for February 2025. Initially cost at 740 rands. Excessive cost 805, while low cost 699. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 749. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 752, change for February 16%. Chilliz cost expectation for Walk 2025. At the outset, cost at 752 rands. Excessive cost 869, while low cost 752. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 796. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 812, change for spring 80%. Chilliz conjecture for April 2025. At the outset, cost at 812 rands. Excessive cost 812, while low cost 671. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 754. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 722, change for April 11.1%. Chilliz cost expectation for May 2025. To start with, cost at 722 rands. Exorbitant cost 8,000, while low cost 696. The found the middle value of cost 742. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end 748, change for May 3.6%. Chilliz conjecture for June 2025. At the outset, cost at 748 rands. Excessive cost 929, while low cost 748. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 823. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 868, change for June 16%. Chilliz cost expectation for July 2025. At the outset, cost at 868 rands. Excessive cost 944, while low cost 820. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 879. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 882, change for July 16%. Chilliz conjecture for August 2025. Before all else, cost at 882 rands. Excessive cost 959, while low cost 833. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 893. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 896, change for August 16%. Chilliz cost expectation for September 2025. First and foremost, cost at 896 rands. Exorbitant cost 910, while low cost 791. The found the middle value of cost 862. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end 850, change for September 5.1%. Chilliz estimate for October 2025. First and foremost cost at 850 rands. Exorbitant cost 1044, while low cost 850. The found the middle value of cost 930. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end 976, change for October 14.8%. Chilliz cost expectation for November 2025. Before all else cost at 976 rands. Excessive cost 1211, while low cost 976. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1074. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end 1132, change for November 16%. Chilliz conjecture for December 2025. At the outset cost at 1132 rands. Excessive cost 14.5, while low cost 1132. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1246. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1313, change for December 16%. Chilliz cost expectation for January 2026. At the outset cost at 1313 rands. Excessive cost 1487, while low cost 1241. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1389. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1334, change for January 16%. Chilliz conjecture for February 2026. Before all else cost at 1334 rands. Excessive cost 1450, while low cost 1260. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1350. Chilliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1355, change for February 16%. Chilliz cost expectation for walk 2026. Before all else cost at 1355 rands. Exorbitant cost 1473, while low cost 1281. The found the middle value of cost 1372. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1377, change for spring 16%. Chilliz estimate for April 2026. First and foremost cost at 1377 rands. Exorbitant cost 17.9, while low cost 1377. The found the middle value of cost 1515. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1597, change for April 16%. Chilliz cost expectation for May 2026. Initially cost at 1597 rands. Excessive cost 1778, while low cost 1546. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1646. Chilliz cost figure toward the month's end 1662, change for May 1%. Chilliz estimate for June 2026. First and foremost cost at 1662 rands. Exorbitant cost 18.7, while low cost 1571. The found the middle value of cost 1682. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1689, change for June 16%. Chilliz cost expectation for July 2026. First and foremost cost at 1689 rands. Exorbitant cost 1836, while low cost 1596. The found the middle value of cost 1709. Chilliz cost estimate toward the month's end 17